them.
Yeah.
And how they know it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have never considered doing number talks in small groups before.
Do you think it might be?
I think that could be a good time. 'Cause
What,
then you can,
why would you do a number talk in a small group?
well, because then you can go even further with the differentiation and, you know, start with hard problems for the kids who are getting it, really push them. Whereas, you know, those same problems that are pushing them are just going to be so far over the heads of some of the other kids, it's just not worth doing a full group. So.
So you would do the harder problems? Your small group would be the kids that you can push?
Well,
or the kids with
either way, that can
either
go
way?
either way, yeah. That was just one example.
So I like this list of questions, because I feel like sometimes they don't get it, get how they verbalize their answer. And what I have a problem with is when you squat down and you listen to the pair share, they are elaborating on what they thought of and what they do, and then so I'm literally listening to Victor like share out his whole strategy. So I purposely call him Victor, I'm like, what were you telling Kelly? And he's like, 54, I broke, and shuts down. So I'm like, I don't, and it's not just him, some of the other kids like can't verbalize, like when, I don't know if they freak out in the whole group. Also with Kelly, he's just like, woo, 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 like the whole thing. I'm like, Victor, share with the whole group, and freaks out. Like, so I don't know how to get my kids more, I don't know, I think I have a safe environment, but you know, like I don't know if he freaks out, you know, like.
No, you're pretty terrifying.
I know I am. So I don't know how to get there. And then my other thing was, a lot of my kids use their fingers, and it's not like I model that, you know, like, and they like touch their face and like they use a lot of stuff. And so I expect students break my numbers apart. So I try to say, do you see when you're doing 7, and then to get the combination of 10, they go 1, 2, 3, like literally, like they touch their face, and I'm like, well, so how many more do you think there is to get to 10? So I try to have them, but it's like.
So why do you think they're using their fingers?
To help them visualize.
Yeah, so
It's a
if,
visual
so
support.
if you have models for your number talks, they're not going to be using fingers, because they're going to be using the model that you provide for them. If they have, if they don't know the combination, they have to use something to help them figure it out. So it's either going to be fingers, or it's going to be something on the board that you provide for them,
Okay.
like a template.
Yeah.
Marie, did you find something
Yeah,
exciting?
I thought that the addition and subtraction,
Mm-hmm.
because sometimes I only do addition, I don't really even need the subtraction. I think that's seeing the
Mm-hmm. Relationship.
relationship between the two, yeah.
All right. Anything else?
I need to do a better job of labeling the strategies that they're using. Because I think we do it, but I don't, like I'm sitting here thinking, I need to have this like up on the wall with a visual that goes with that strategy so that they really start to put it. Because I know they're using all of these, but I don't know that I always put that label on there for them so that they can mentally put it somewhere that, oh, maybe I should try this or maybe I should try this. I think we kind of just stumble upon them every day as opposed to having a more organized list of strategies to pull from. I think they have them, but I don't necessarily have them up for them to.
And you can even do that from what they're doing on the number.
Yeah, yeah, because I
Just-
mean,
yeah.
I'm looking at this going, oh, we do that, but am I calling it that? Do they have a visual for that every day to really pull from? So,
And after labeling and piggybacking on that, having the kids label it.
yeah.
We used to name them after whoever came up with it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it would be the cautious strategy. You know.
Oh,
it was
that's
like-
cute.
It was using doubles, for example. If that's the strategy that
Dave Mara
Kasha
does that in my
showed
class,
us,
yeah.
then it would become the cautious strategy. And I would do a poster and a cautious picture up there.
Really?
Yeah, they liked it.
That is very, that's a great idea, 'cause I do have kids that use.
Did you find that kids, after that would happen, will only utilize that strategy? Because I found like if I get really, if they discover a new one and I get really excited about it, like
For a
for the
while.
next few
For a
days,
while.
that is the only thing that they're trying to do.
Yeah,
No,
it's
they
the first
really
thing,
did everything.
it's the first thing they try.
Mine didn't.
Yeah.
They just did what they
They need to do.
Yeah, so they weren't like, I'm shooting for the cautious strategy.
But I have kids like Parmel. Parmel's favorite strategy is the doubles. So she will look for doubles anywhere she can. So they know that when she comes up to share, she will probably use doubles. It's so funny because they do recognize
Yeah.
this. And then she'll find doubles and problems that I never thought about solving it using doubles.
And Dave Mara does twos a lot in my class, she'll count by twos a lot.
All right, one more thing. If we can look at this and take a highlighter or a pencil and just look for, mainly in that middle part here, look for strengths and 2 more minutes to share out really quickly, so if you guys found something and are willing to share out.
I think looking at like labeling the students' strategies is a good next step. Because I've definitely verbalized them, but I don't report them.
And even
Just have
having
that
this
visual support,
yes.
yeah. But not so much just as, I'm not gonna put it up and take it down.
No, not. Fair for them. Jordan, do you find
Cover
anything?
it.
Yeah, I was thinking that I really want to be more thoughtful about what problems I choose based on like their observations, like what they've done in the past or what new strategies they've come up with.
I was gonna work on, teachers uses a variety of visual models, 'cause sometimes I do have the 10 frame up there, but maybe like cubes would help them, maybe other.
And next week, we're gonna talk more about models and,
Oh, good.
yeah, so, I have a really cool article and then they give examples of different models and how you can use models. In upper grades, when you're doing multiplication or addition with 2-digit numbers, you can use partial models or you can do, different things. So we'll learn more about that next week. Yeah, cool. All right, so, Kyle and I were thinking that maybe you guys would like to see each other teach a number talk, and we could actually use this last form that we just looked at and give each other feedback on your number talks. So because you guys are doing all number talks in the afternoon, if you need coverage, I can cover your class, just let me know. And if you guys want to see other grade levels or within the grade level, just let me know, email me if you would like me to come and cover your class or when you would like to